Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure and set up OpenCode with Ollama providers and models on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So we are going to see first of all how we can set up OpenCode GUI and TUI, and then we are going to see how we can set up Ollama, and then we are going to see how we can add Ollama models as the OpenCode models and providers. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for OpenCode, and the first link which will appear here will be from OpenCode.ai. So we are going to click on this link, and straight away you can see the command using which you can install OpenCode terminal version. Now there is a new update, and you can see this new badge here, and which says desktop app available in beta on macOS, Windows and Linux. So we are going to download and install the desktop app for our Linux operating system. So I'm going to click on this option which says download now, and here on the downloads page you can see the download button for Linux. So I'm going to click on this download button, which is going to download this .deb file. So once this .deb file is downloaded, we are going to open the terminal and install the OpenCode desktop version. So for that, I'm going to just click on show apps and then open the terminal from here. And then I'm going to navigate to my downloads folder. And here, if I can see, this .deb file is there, right? So I'm going to give this command to install the OpenCode using this .deb file, and this command is sudo dpkg space -i and the name of the file. So I can just write open here and then press tab key to autocomplete the file name and then press enter. And it's going to ask me to provide my Ubuntu's password, which I use to log into my Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to give that password and then press enter. And this is going to start the installation of OpenCode. So let's wait for the installation to finish. And in few seconds, this installation is finished now. So once the installation is finished, I can go to the show apps section, and here I will be able to find this new icon here which says OpenCode. So let's try to open OpenCode using this icon, and you can see this OpenCode is launching now. Let me minimize this terminal and the browser. So now you can see OpenCode has been launched here. So first of all, you can see this OpenCode interface looks like this. And here, when you click on this hamburger menu, you can see how you can get started. You can connect to the provider, and then you have the settings section here, which is going to open this kind of settings section where you can set the language, appearance and theme and the font. Also, when I click on appearance, you can choose either light or dark mode. I like the dark mode better, so I'm going to choose this dark mode here. And then in the themes here, you can hover over all these themes and see which theme you like most. I'm okay with this OC1 theme, so I'm going to leave it as default. And then you can also choose the font size. From here, you can also configure your shortcuts for all these commands. So command palette and then cycle language, themes and everything. So all these settings are available here. And then you can also configure the providers from this section. So you can see all the popular providers. OpenCode Zen is recommended because it's the product from OpenCode, but then you can see all the top providers here, right? Like Anthropic or GitHub Copilot or OpenCode and Google and many more. So in this section you can configure the providers. You also have the option to choose the models here. So this big pickle is already enabled. Then Minimax 2.5 is enabled, and Trinity large preview is enabled for this desktop app. So you can see by default all these models are available, and you can search for other models here. For example, I want OpenAI model. It's not available because I need to configure the provider for it, right? And then it will be able to find it. So this is all about settings. From here, you can configure the settings. So this GUI mode is really nice. We can also go to the official OpenCode.ai website to install the command line tool. So we have the best of both the worlds. So I'm going to go to my favorite browser and then go to the home page of OpenCode.ai, and then from here I'm going to just copy this curl command using which I can install the OpenCode terminal tool. So I'm going to open my terminal once again, and here I'm going to just paste this command and then press enter, which is going to install the OpenCode terminal version. So now this OpenCode terminal version is installed, but it does nothing because I need to close this terminal and reopen the terminal again so that those configurations are reloaded again in my terminal, and then I can just write open code here and then press enter, and it's going to open the OpenCode TUI or Terminal User Interface. It looks slightly different to the OpenCode desktop tool, but using this OpenCode TUI or Terminal User Interface is also really easy. How you can install and configure Ollama on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Ollama. And the first link which will appear here will be from ollama.com. So I'm going to click on this link, and on this main page you will see this command which says start building with open model, and straight away on this main page itself you will see this curl command which you can use to install Ollama on your Linux or Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to just copy this curl command, and then I'm going to click on show apps section and then open a new terminal from here. So once this terminal window opens, I'm going to paste this command which I have copied from the Ollama website and then press enter here. And first of all, you need to give your password which you use to log into your Ubuntu operating system. So let me provide that and then press enter. And this is going to start the download of Ollama related files, and then it's going to install it. So we just need to wait for a few seconds. And after a few seconds, I can see this message which says no NVIDIA GPU detected. So Ollama will run on CPU only mode, which is fine for me for now, right? So because I'm running Ollama on my local system, so it's going to use the CPU only mode. It also says Ollama API is available at this address. So I'm going to copy this address and let's open this address in the web browser and let's see what happens. So it says Ollama is running, so that's fine. So once OpenCode and Ollama is installed on your Ubuntu operating system, the next step is to connect them. And the connection is very simple. So in the latest update, Ollama has already provided the provision of launching the Ollama models with the open code. So what you need to do is you need to go to the ollama.com website, and here just search for the model, and to search for any models you can just write /search. So here you just need to write /search here, and you will be able to see this kind of interface where you can search for models. Here you can search for any model here, so you can see some thinking models or cloud-based models. So let's say I want to use some kind of cloud model because I'm running this demo on the virtual machine, which is not a very powerful virtual machine. But if you are running a very good machine with lots of resources, then you can just go with the normal model without the cloud option, right? Let me filter by cloud, and then let's say I want to use this Qwen3 coder next option. So let's say I want to use this Qwen3 hyphen coder hyphen next, and it's the cloud based model and the normal model, right? So for running the cloud-based model, you need to remember this tag. So you can see the name of the model colon the cloud tag is important. Otherwise, it's going to download 52 gigabyte of file on your file system, right? Cloud model doesn't require any memory, and that's why I want to use this cloud model for now. But if you are running a very good machine which have a lot of resources, you can choose the local download of these models, right? Also, you can see with every model now Olama has provided these command to launch these models with all these different applications, and one of these applications is OpenCode, right? So OpenCode support is already there. We just need to copy this command and then open the terminal. So I'm going to open the terminal, and once the terminal is open, I'm going to paste this command. But in my case, I'm going to give the cloud tag here, right? So that it uses the cloud model. And so once I have provided the tag, I'm going to press enter here. And once you press enter, it's going to give you this important information, and that is this will modify your open code configuration. So your open code configuration is saved here. So in your home folder, there is this .config folder, and in the .config folder, there is this OpenCode folder, and then there is this file which is called opencode.json, where your model and provider will be added, right? And this is the state file, right? So this configuration is saved here. But the important configuration is in this file where your model and the provider will be added, which is Ollama and Qwen3 coder next in my case. If I agree, I can just select this option yes, and then press enter, and it's going to launch the OpenCode TUI with this cloud model, right? So you can see Qwen3 hyphen coder hyphen next colon cloud, because I have chosen this cloud model. And here, let's say I want to just write a very simple hello world C++ program. So I'm going to provide a prompt for that and then press enter. And it's going to use this Ollama model, which is Qwen3 coder hyphen next with the cloud option. And hopefully I can get the response soon. And you can see it has given me this hello world C++ program, right? So everything is working fine. Now if you open the OpenCode GUI, so let me just launch the OpenCode GUI here. And here, once OpenCode GUI is open, then click on this hamburger menu and then select settings here. And then when you click on providers, you will see the Ollama provider is added here, and it's already connected, right? So the configuration is same for the terminal user interface and the graphical user interface. And you can see the provider is Ollama space local, right? Here in the graphical user interface, it's the same, right? Ollama local. And under models, you will find this cloud model also, which is Qwen3 coder hyphen next colon cloud, right? So you can select this. So once this is added and it's already connected, so it's under connected providers, right? I can just click anywhere else on this GUI, and I can start using the model, right? So let me open some folder so that I can write some kind of prompt. So let's say I'm going to create a new folder here. I'm going to name it demo, and I'm going to open this folder. And then you can see this Qwen coder next colon cloud is available here, which is from Ollama. I'm going to give the same prompt here and then just send this prompt, and I will get my desired answer here. So you can see it's thinking, and it's going to create this hello.cpp file, which is under the all files section. So here is the change tab, and here is the all files tab, and it has created this hello.cpp file in my demo folder, which is the folder which I have created. And once I click on this hello.cpp file, you can see this hello world program has been created, right? So in the GUI, it works like this. So this is how you can configure OpenCode with Ollama models. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.